We need unity, sisters and brothers. We gotta learn how to love one another. We need to stand tough, stand rough. The white boys enslaved us too many times. Now it's time for me to speak what's on my mind. You try to control me and hold me down, but like Puffin Mace, can't nobody hold me down. If only now we see the guns out the city, the drugs out the city. Now black people walking in the city, Master Diddy. I'm like a Black Panther. You can't knock me. White people try to mock me. I'ma call Rodney King in. We gon' dancing. We gon' sing because we gon' get free because we gonna get that unity. UNIT, why? I'ma tell you why you need this thing because we need victory. We as a people need a higher goal. We need to find a place in our soul where we are free spiritually, mentally, physically, because our people gonna be free. We can make it if we try. Do or die. Uncle Thomas and no solution. We need to be like them Marveezy and start a revolution. It's like we need our soldiers ready. All my soldiers ready. Our people get killed. Our children still. Our brothers and sisters live homeless with no meals. We ain't got unity to this day. All we gotta do is get on our knees and pray to our Heavenly Father that someday we will be free. But with all the hate, we ain't gonna be free today. We got brothers and sisters acting sick. We got people dying from a bullet, from a clip. The government put drugs in the city so we could die out. But it didn't work. All we did was cry out. We got black people locked up in penitentiaries for only hundreds of centuries. They enslaving us in no jails, working for no money and getting nasty meals. I'ma fight for my life and I'ma fight for yours too. And we gonna make a rebellion crew. We can work after school, parents after work, putting up a black power sign won't hurt.